Good day, everyone. So once again, I'm Lokman Singh with you. So this was the bundle of activities you were supposed to do to promote your business, to promote your that particular single advertisement, say through a single campaign to generate minimum 10 leads a day. I think you did that and you got some leads. And I expect, not only expect, I'm sure that if you could do this activities, whatever activities we discussed, 100% I'm dead sure you would or you might have received leads, business leads. Why? Because I also did the same thing and we used to do the same thing, and we experienced that if you do this activity practically, then for sure you'll get leads. If your advertisement is really logically designed the way we have discussed in our uh, day one assignment, day one class. So if you could do this, then you might have received some leads, because I also did one campaign simultaneously, and yesterday we got 30 leads. You would be happy to know we got 30 leads. In our next lesson, when we will be meeting face to face, then I would discuss you, I would tell you how these leads could be generated, the same process I followed. Now today we are going ahead to take our lesson one step ahead. Now what we have to do in our day 3 lesson. So in our day 3 lesson, means day 3 campaign step. So what we have to do, we have to go one step ahead. And what is this one step ahead? Yes, in case you are ready, so let's discuss how you can get more leads from this campaign. This is really wonderful exercise, and I'm so much excited for this, and you also might.